I'm Fabiana Grazioli. I'm the Quality Control Unit Director at ReiThera. ReiThera Quality Control started in 2017 with a very small group. Now, today, we are 45 people with different skills, including microbiologists, molecular biologists, and chemists. So this helps us to answer to multiple demands and multiple projects in parallel. And we can perform new tests starting from development of specific product assays. People in quality control are continuously informed about the new tendencies and new regulatory needs by attending specific courses and conferences. Moreover, the internal and external audits help us to assess the compliance level and also to identify any potential gaps. Over the years, also our laboratories were expanded, going from 200 square meters up to 500 square meters, with the introduction of new technology and new instruments. So today we are able to perform multiple assays in parallel and to keep up with multiple projects in parallel. We are able to perform compendial tests in compliance with European and American regulatory needs, but also to develop and validate product-specific assays that can be used for the characterization, the release of the product, but also during stability programs. The most important advantage to have ReiThera QC in-house is that we can start the collaboration with the client from the beginning of the project, and we can start from the development of the assay up to the validation of specific assay to determine quality attributes such as titration, viral potency, for the protein expression that can be very useful to characterize the product. So QC team interacts with the client from the beginning of the project, and this helps to reduce costs, to reduce timeline, and to take always the project on track without affecting the quality levels, since we have a very good collaboration and dynamic discussion with the other ReiThera department of the GMP, such as manufacturing and quality assurance. We have capability to perform multiple assays in parallel and also to perform assays as in process control during the process while the purification of the vector is still ongoing. This is very important because it gives us the ability to monitor the process and to adjust some parameters during the purification. So we can perform in-house release and characterization tests in a very short time by providing to the client the first results in 2 to 5 days after the purification.